Hey guys, what's up? It's good to be back. I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorite shortcut keys that I use on a daily basis, so let's go. Okay, so once in Premiere, when you're scrubbing through a video, you press play, then you press I, and then you press O. And now you have your in and out points. And then you can just drag your video to the sequence. So when in sequence, for example, when you want to cut something, instead of going through these icons, you just press C and you make a cut wherever you want. Then you press V and you're back and you can move and do whatever you want with your footage. The other thing that you can do, which I really like, is a stretch tool. Instead of going through the icons, you just press R on your keyboard and now you can stretch your footage. And you can see how much we have sped up the video or slowed down the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.